Good morning. Welcome to the Piedmont Triad International Airport, Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm George Johnson, the Bonanza Man, and today we're here to show you one of our prime condition 1991 A36 Bonanzas, November 77 Papa Golf. This airplane has the IO 550 300 horsepower Continental engine, only 1,460 hours since factory new, and 407 hours since top overhaul with brand new factory cylinders. You can see it also has the Shannon engine baffles and the GAMI fuel injectors, so this airplane qualifies for the gross weight STC from Burrell to Shannon. The airplane is equipped with a Macaulay 3-blade hot prop with only 370 hours since overhaul. November 77 Papa Golf has a 24-volt electrical system, and it's equipped with 74 gallons of usable fuel. This gives you about 800 miles range, and the airplane is between 170 and 175 knots at cruise. In addition to that, the wing spar AD does not apply to this airplane. The paint is in good original condition. It's Matterhorn white overall, with regal blue, velvet black, and chamois stripes. It also has a useful load of 1,152 pounds, which can be increased with the Shannon gross weight increase. One of the things that everybody loves about the A36 is the big double cargo doors and the club seating. Let's take a look. This airplane has reversible club seating, and it's very flexible. You can fold these seats up out of the way, just that easy, or you can pull these two pins and the seat comes right out. In addition to that, you can turn the center seats around forward facing and then have from here back for cargo like an SUV. And you do have an aft baggage compartment. November 77 Papa Golf has a beautiful, spacious interior. I'm a big guy and I've got plenty of headroom and plenty of elbow room in this airplane. In addition, this is an original interior. The seats are in great original condition, as are the sidewalls. Now the headliner has been replaced about 600 hours ago by Beechcraft, but the cabin table and everything is in great condition. We have a 4-place intercom in this airplane, and we have inertia reel shoulder harnesses for all 6 seats. Extras that come with this Bonanza from the owner are a Sidewinder tow bar, a Tanis preheater engine cover, Keenan sun shields, and some life vests. 77 Papa Golf has a great avionics panel. It's equipped with a KFC 150, Autopilot, Flight Director, slaved HSI system with yaw damp. In addition, it has the King altitude and vertical speed Preselect. The airplane has new generation Garmin avionics, including the Garmin GMA35C audio panel with built-in intercom and Bluetooth. It has the Garmin GTN 750 GPS Navcom with WAAS, and a Garmin GTX 345 transponder with ADS-B in and out, displaying subscription-free ADS-B traffic and weather on the Garmin GTN 750. It also has the Garmin FlightStream 510 for Bluetooth integration to your iPad. Other features of this Bonanza are Copilot brakes, Rosen sun visors, super soundproofing, electric elevator trim, standby generator system, true airspeed indicator, approach flaps. It has USB charger outlets on the panel, 24-volt electrical system, ventilation blower system, and a JPI EDM 700 graphic engine monitor. If you want a great buy in a low-time Bonanza A36, you need to visit Carolina Aircraft in Greensboro, North Carolina, and take a look at November 77 Papa Golf. This airplane only has 1,460 hours total time since new. The engine only has 407 hours since a complete top overhaul with factory new cylinders. The prop only has 370 hours since overhaul, and the airplane has a lot of great equipment. Give us a call or visit us in Greensboro, North Carolina, and I hope you'll have a super day.